Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a shell stitch headband with simple flower. So friends, for this project, I am using 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. So to begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After making 9 chains, to begin first row, make one more chain, go into the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Go into the second chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is our single crochet 2. Go into the third chain and make single crochet 3. Repeat the same process till the end. So after completing 9 single crochet stitches for the second row, turn your work and make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, skip 3 single crochet stitches, go into the fourth single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 2. Go into the same stitch and make double crochet 3. Now make chain 2 and again make 3 double crochet stitches into the same single crochet stitch. Double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Now wrap the yarn, skip the 3 single crochet stitches, go into the last single crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch. So this is our shell stitch pattern. Now turn your work and make 3 chains, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Go into chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 2 and again go into the same space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now go into the top of chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch to finish this second row of shell stitch. Turn your work and again make chain 3, go into chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet stitches. Make chain 2 and make 3 double crochet stitches, and in the last at the top of chain 3 make a double crochet stitch to finish this row. Repeat these rows again and again till the required length of 18 inches for 3-year size. So repeat this shell stitch rows till the required length. After completing 18 inches, length. Now to finish this, turn your work, make chain 1, go into this first double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch, make chain 3, go into this chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet stitch here, make chain 3, go into this last chain 3 and make a single crochet stitch. Now turn your work, make chain 1, go into this first single crochet stitch and make single crochet 1, go into this chain 3 space and make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, go into this single crochet stitch and make single crochet 5, go into next chain 3 space and make single crochet 6, 7, 8, and then go into this last single crochet stitch and make single crochet 9. After completing your single crochet row, pull the extra yarn and cut it off. After cutting the extra yarn with the help of needle, join these two ends together. So go into this first chain, go into this first stitch and chain again and weave this. Now go into second stitch and second chain and join this. Now repeat the same process, go into this third stitch and third chain, then fourth stitch and fourth chain and join them. Repeat the same process till the last stitch. Now go into this last stitch and make a knot here to secure your work. Make a second knot if you want. Now give your extra yarn tail to the inner side of headband like this. After weaving it, cut the extra yarn. Now our headband is ready. Now I will show you how to crochet the flower. So for the flower, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this by leaving a long yarn tail and make a slip knot. Now make 6 chains because I am going to make 6 petal flower. So make 6 chains, go into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a circle. Now make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch, make 3 more chains for our petal, wrap the yarn, go into the same ring, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now again make chain 3 for second petal and make a double crochet stitch. Again make chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch. Repeat this same process to complete your row. Now after completing, go into the third chain and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. Now for the petals, wrap the yarn, go into this first chain 3 space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Now make 6 double crochet stitches into the same chain 3 space, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 double crochet stitches, pull these stitches to make a space and make a half double crochet stitch in the last. Now make a slip stitch to this double crochet stitch here. So this is our first petal. Now go into the second chain 3 space and make a half double crochet stitch and then 6 double crochet stitches. Complete these 6 double crochet stitches. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, go into the same space and make 1 half double crochet stitch in the last and then make a slip stitch to this double crochet stitch to finish your second petal. Repeat the same process for the next 4 petals. After completing the petals, make a slip stitch to this first petal and pull the yarn, leave a long yarn tail to weave the flower. So with the starting yarn tail, I have added a bead. So now join the flower to this part with the help of needle and weave it from here and add a simple crochet leaf tutorial. So here is the final headband. Please try it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.